Stop overeating. Don't eat. Done. See you next video. What to eat with Ronan? Point of view. Alright, now that we have the appropriate setting, triangles and the circles and the rectangles and the squares and so on and so forth. Dude, what are you drinking? This is belly fat in a cup.
Okay, cool.
It just goes away. Hit the hell. Hit the hell. So if you are right? But it's you. That is not true. Stretching.
Let's do this.
One eternity later.
Don't do that. Go back to sleep. We have the belief that when you go to the gym. I've been really trying, baby. So first of all, Hector, congratulations for your participation and for finally finding the right answer. Here's your prize, a whole box of creatine so you can boost your workouts, and a glass of almond milk because our bar business is going super well.
Thank you so much, Ronan.
Or the air in the radiator.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Let's order pizza, and you go like, okay. So Casper, and here's the thing that at the end of the video, Casper once more. What coffee machine from the afterlife? Casper came. It was a long time that Casper didn't show up, huh? Milo was walking around in the street and then he saw this little calf and he says, "Oh, a little calf. I'm gonna grab it and walk around with it on my shoulders for the whole day." Milo got stronger. And then he went like, "Ha, losers, look at me right now, you f***ing motherfucker son of a bitch." Oh man, things are written in Portuguese here.
Bravo! Bravo!
Yeah!